Yesterday's video was a bit of a downer, so let's do something uplifting today, something positive. Generally, Judge Goggins' courtroom looks like a chaotic mess like you're seeing on your screen right now. But yesterday he actually had a very positive, uplifting story, which we're going to look at in a second. But before we do, let's look at the chaotic mess that he has to deal with on a daily basis. I mean, go through and look at how many people are laying in bed, driving, walking around, not showing their face. And dude needs to clean his room. I mean, what on earth? Show some respect. Driving and showing your beer belly? Like, really? All right. Watch this one.
Nina Giroux.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, Mr. Childers?
She's going to plead to false ID, and the companion case of retail fraud would be dismissed. She did 3 days in jail.
Okay. Ma'am, you are being charged with giving false information to a police officer. It does carry a penalty of up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. It's alleged occurred in Flint Township on June 28th. It's kind of smeared here. Oh, I'm sorry, June 25th, 2017 in Flint Township. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you signed an advice of rights for me as well. Did you read and understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you wish to plead?
I'm pleading guilty on that.
Okay. Is it true that on the said date, time, and location, you're guilty of giving false information to a police officer? Is that
Yes,
true?
Your Honor.
Was it, you knew it was a police officer? Was it he or she in uniform?
So yes, I was in active addiction at that time, sir.
You were what?
I was in active addiction at that time.
Okay.
She said she was using
That's
drugs.
not going to help me.
She remembers it, but she's cleaned out. So
I'm sorry. Yes, I was a really bad drug addict with a lot of mental issues, and I've completely changed my life.
Okay, no, and I can understand that, but I guess for my sake, for the plea, at some point you gave some kind of false information to him intentionally. Is that true?
Your Honor, I don't remember this incident. I was using drugs, so yes, I gave.
Let's just do, Mr. Challies, if I could do a no contest. Let's just do a no contest.
yeah, no problem.
My apologies.
All right. That's all right. It's all right. After reviewing the police incident report, do you find there's factual basis to accept a no contest plea to the charge? Do you understand if I accept your no contest plea, you won't have a trial of any kind, give up all the rights that you would have a trial, and you may be faced with those penalties?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I accept a no contest plea, I'll consider a guilty plea for sentencing. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Has anybody made any threats or promises to cause you to plead no contest other than what we've discussed?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll dismiss the retail fraud matter. Accept no contest plea to giving false information. I'm sorry, Mr. Chavez, I'm kind of bouncing around. How did she have jail time?
She did 3 days, Your Honor, and again, she said she's totally changed her life. She's not using it anymore, so she did 3 days.
Okay. Ma'am, we'll order 3 days jail credit for 3 days and close this file for you, okay?
Can I tell you all of the work that I've done?
Sure. What have you done?
Okay, so I completed inpatient and outpatient therapy.
Okay.
I'm attending counseling for my PTSD. I'm attending a recovery group called RU. I'm going back to school to get my GED. I'm interning at Merle Norman, and I just opened up my own business.
Wow, you're doing quite a bit. When you say your own business, what are you doing?
I do macrame and plants. I sell indoor plants.
Oh, good. Gosh, it
Yes,
sounds
and
like
I'm
you
a
got a pretty good
full-time
handle on
mom.
everything. Okay,
Yes.
that's perfect. That makes me feel better too. I'd rather stay out of trouble, and I'm sure that having that business keeps you out of trouble too.
And having my child, yes.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's probably more than anything else. That's probably true. So,
Yes, sir.
how old's your child?
He's 12.
Oh, 12. Okay. Okay. Well,
Yes.
keep, and I'm sure he's in school and doing well in school now.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Well, you can be a great example for him, okay? Do that for me and you'll make me feel better.
No, God bless you.
All right. All right. You can always check in. I mean, let me know how you're doing in another year or so, okay? I'd love to
Thank
hear
you.
it.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. I'm sure Mr. Childers told you the same thing. If there gets to be an itch for something, boy, just talk to your counselor if you got a counselor still, you know? Okay.
Yes, I plan on after taking care of this, I'm gonna go work with UCAN and help people that struggle through addiction.
Boy, I'm telling you, that's worth everything there too. Really is.
You know, yeah, you got to go back in the fire and help.
I know it. I know a couple people that are doing like online, not like a call service, you know?
Yes, yes.
You call for
Yeah.
addiction, you talk to. I'm telling you, those are worth everything because I can't do it. I don't have that, you know, I don't have any past history on there, you know?
I
You
was
could sure
I
connect
was
with
on life
people a lot more.
support. I was on life support for 7 days.
Okay.
So I completely, you know, recreated myself.
Yeah. Boy, it sounds like it. Boy, you know, well, I've closed both these files. Please, you know, check in with me next year. I'd love to hear how you're doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Good luck, Mr. Earl.
Thank you. Good luck to you,
Thank
Mr. O.
you.
Bye,
Thank you.
bye now. You're
Bye.
welcome. You're welcome. You made my day.
Thank you. God bless you.
You too. You too. Bye now.
Bye.
You're gonna make me cry. I'm gonna turn you off before I start crying,
I'm
okay?
sorry.
Okay, bye.
I can't figure it
Bye.
out.
Okay, bye. Mr. Childers.